There's your wall.
Crazy.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
See what we're up against. Obviously, everything's gotta come out.
We gotta go all the way out. All the shit's gonna go out.
Okay.
First, I got
Talking about this rottage going on over here.
pretty good rotted, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right now, it's all like mounted up.
Right.
And that's how you get termites to crawl up, make a tube. You can't see them. Like probably up in that corner, they came right up in.
Yay! Good job. We got it. You got it. We have finally framed in the wall. Now you're probably asking, why the heck did you tear off the part of your house? Believe me, it wasn't something we wanted to do. It was something we had to do because there was so much termite damage that you could literally just push the wall over if you wanted to. There wasn't much holding it in. I think the strongest part of the wall was the header that he was having trouble with and the darn door because it was cemented right to the concrete slab, so we had a little bit of an issue getting that out, but Rob did a heck of a job and saved the door because it is a brand new door, so we did not want to demolish a door that's only a couple months old. So he was able to actually salvage it so we can use it for a different part of the house. Right now he is actually getting measurements so we can get a window framed in and the wall, because we are going to have crappy weather this week, snow and rain, so we got to get this weatherproofed so we don't have more issues. But I say we're doing a pretty good job trying to knock it out in one weekend, since we pretty much only have the weekends to do this kind of stuff. My workhorse is doing a heck of a job. I'll feed them more carrots later. You know what I've come to realize?
What have you realized?
You know, when I went in the garage to grab those horses,
Yes.
I have realized that your garage is just as bad as my purse. There's a lot of similarities. Yeah.
That's what you say.
Yeah. Like, I went to a smaller purse thinking I would be more organized. That wasn't the case. You went to a bigger garage thinking that you were going to be more organized. That wasn't the case.
Not the case at all.
Now, that wall over yonder, we are actually going to try to tackle that next weekend, weather permitting. Like I said, we're doing this like nights and weekends, and we're in the winter months, so the night thing has been cut short because we don't have much daylight once we get out of work. So the weekends is where we're at, and we have been just hoping and praying for great weather on the weekends so we can tackle all these projects before the nice weather gets here and all those bugs come back around. We want to have this all taken care of, and that way we had this place all buttoned up and properly framed in. And for all your can't even say it. Abri, abri, abri. That's all, folks. No. So for all you worrywarts out there, we do have the roof supported behind the framed wall. So if you can see, there is different beams back there. We made sure that the roof wasn't going to cave in on us. So for all you worrywarts, we got it covered. I think people would like to know how your levitation goes with the plywood into your truck.
So the FBI would come interrogate.
It's called Get Your Invisible Workhorse to Help.
Snap a line here. My chalk box.
Oh, I'll snap your line.
You're gonna make me snap. Totally different.
Snap.
Put it on the
Where are we
line.
snapping? Where's your line?
In the middle.
Oh.
The middle thing. Go in the middle of the barrel. Good?
Yes, hold on. There you go.
Can't say yes and then hold on. Those are two contrary.
Okay, you're good.
Yes, hold on.
We're on to plywood, which means the wall is going to be closed.
So fast there, dingle nuts.
Why you gotta talk about my dingle nuts?
Uranus.
Really? And you continue to do it. You are such a saboteur.
Saboteur!
All right. Maybe like 2 inches.
Tiny bullet here.
Let me get a couple inches of height here. Huh? Let me do this corner.
I gotta kind of mess with that corner too.
Wait. It's window time. Said it's window time. Window time, window time, window time. A little tight on the right. So go to the left, yeah. Now you're even. About even.
This side up just a little bit.
Okay, you're good now. How you doing? Yeah. Very smooth. So we got the window in, we got everything pretty much buttoned up. Luckily, we pulled this off before the bad weather comes in.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say,